who was your favorite teacher?
This is the question.
I think it was Master Muhammad Ali Sabazar. His son is a Murabbi and is still alive with the grace of Allah. I don't know why he always took pity on me. I never worked whatever he gave us as a home task. My brother also was the same stupid student, Mirza, and whenever he came to him and asked, show me the home task, he said, no, Master, I have not done it. We just stand up and beat him 2 canes on both hands, one on this and one in this. And when I stood up, he said, you have got task? I said, no, sorry. Before I sit down. So in this regard, if there was any special teacher of mine whom I liked so much, it was Master Muhammad Ali Sabazar. Naturally so. Huh?